Yes.
I got a new haircut.
Yeah. Do you like it? We have to make a thumbnail, bro. Oh no. Over here? No. Okay, thumbnail. Okay, we're done. Yo guys, it's your girl, Rogan here. No. It's been a long day without you, my friend. Okay guys, hey guys, welcome to today's video. Yes. So guys, I hope you enjoy our travel vlogs for last week. If you haven't checked it out, make sure to check out the description box below. All day from day 1 to day 4 is listed down below. Go check that out after this video. So, yes. So, today we are going to clean your car. Oh, my car. It's my car. Okay. Yeah. It is very dirty, and we are going to clean the inside of our car because of my car because it is very dirty. Let me just show you the bag, and then we are just going to start to clean this messy car. And I'm sorry if this video is going to be short or long or I don't know, but we are here, we are still alive. It's not because we don't post and we're not alive, you know. I just didn't have time to film. So today I'm just going to show you, it's so hot. I'm just going to show you how I clean this car. So let's begin. Let's go. Yes.
I got a new I got a new haircut.
Okay, today the story is I got a new haircut and it was very good, and you like reading from a book, no, you have to say like I got a new haircut today, like so. Try.
I got a new haircut today.
Yeah. Yay. If you like it, make sure to smash that like button. So I don't know why I clap. I like to. Okay, anyway, let's go. So the first thing I want to show you is the carpet in this car. Let me show you. See, see right here. See. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, see it. Yeah, see it. See his. I'm just going to like take the vacuum and just like it up. So let's go. Do some clean. Let's go. Oh, good.
Water.
Okay, so it's very hot, and I'm so sorry my hair is like a mess, but let's get some water. Let's get some water.
Water. 3 hours later.
Let's give this bad boy a wash. So, I'm going to wash my what's called tire. Wheel? No,
tire?
this one. This silver thing. And I have white shoes on. Don't want to get them dirty. And I have a pair of like football shoes. So I'm just going to change these to wash my car, whatever it is. Let's just take these bad boys on and wash my car. Alright. Let's go. So now we just, it's so hot. Ooh, I don't know if you can see me. Okay, we just clean all fours We just clean all 4 of them, and I don't know. Thanks, bro. Maybe we will like just clean this. It is just made of plastic, by the way. This one with the brush, just soft, and then we are going to clean the window inside. Yo, bro, I'm savage. Okay, take those
Don't
2.
waste it.
30 what?
I don't know.
Is it heavy, bro? You are the what? You are the man, right? Let's make this bad boy shine. I'm still having these shoes on, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm just going to put some water into this bad boy.
Bad boy.
Say, yeah. We are now going home to change our clothes, and then we are going to clean the inside of our car. No, my car. Hey, what's going on? Let's go. So guys, I haven't changed as you can see, but I have put a cap on just to like keep my hair in there. Yeah, I look like a boy now. Yo, bro. You see what I'm saying? Like, I look like a boy. Yes. So now we're just going to use some of this clean thing.
Spray cleaner. Oh, there you go.
To just like clean the inside of the window. So let's go.
Let's go.
I don't have plastic, so I'm just going to
Plastic. Oh, gloves.
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 Anyway.
Gloves. It smells very bad.
Look at this.
Beautiful. Psst. Looks very, very cool.
Then you take a
Lalu newspaper. Lalu. Oh, it's so hot. Psst. Satisfying sound. I got something in my hair. Very, very clean. Very, very clean. I can see myself. Hello.
So guys, I just cleaned all the windows. Let me show you. Very, very, very clean, right? You can see me. You can see me. And you can see me here. Ooh. And my brother.
Hello.
Yes. Let me just explain what the hell is going on here. There is a spider inside here. I just spray something in there and just like cover it up, so it's like going to die. I'm so afraid of spiders, and yeah. Now we are actually just going to fill up something in here, and then we're just going to wipe down the seats inside. So let's be done soon. It's so hot. So let's go. So we're just going to fill something in.
Yeah. Blue stuff. No.
For the window cleaner.
Turkeys.
So it is right here. Yeah.
Right here.
So let's just
Pop it open.
put it open and put something in. Okay. I might spill. I will spill. I think I will spill. What the hell should I do then?
Use your mouth and put it in. And then.
Let's try. I spilled. Wait.
Wait a minute.
Wait. 1, 2.
Psst. Whoa.
Okay, more. It says more. I'm just going to put this
Whole bubble?
Oh,
Oh.
there's so much. Oh.
Yeah.
That's it.
That's
okay.
it.
Bless you.
Oh.
Nice.
Boom.
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 Boom, ba da ba ba da boom.
Beepity boppity.
Boopity boopity ba. So now we're just going to clean the inside of the car. So can you see how dirty this is? Just going to take a wet cloth and just like so we are done soon. Just going to clean this bad boy inside and we are good to go. Soon. Very fast. And then this one. So when you fast. Just the door. You see, and then front.
Yeah.
See, clean. Hey, bro, what you doing?
Not me.
Just clean that dog.
Not me.
It's you.
Not me.
It's you.
Not me.
It's you.
Not me.
Who's there? Knock.
Who's there?
A cow.
Cow.
No, a cow says moo. The other side, brother. I have so much stuff laying in my car right now because I'm just like, okay, taking this, throwing this in the car, and then I will of course clean it up. Okay, see, I have my shoes, I have this, I have glove, I have newspaper. You want to read something? Yeah. Last and final door.
We work like 2 hours
Yeah, we have done this 2 hours
late.
and I'm so hungry. Hungry. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Okay, done.
Spider.
As you can see, it didn't work. So I'm just going to take this up and wish me that the spider wouldn't come out because I'm scared. Stop it.
Oh.
Isn't it?
Yeah, it's in the corner.
Where?
Left corner.
Okay, can you hand me the newspaper?
Right there. I think it's on the left corner. I don't know. Hello.
I'm just going to do this. Please don't come out. Is it out?
No, I see it though, I guess.
I don't like this.
Left corner.
Okay.
Whatever.
Finish.
Finish.
We are finally
Done.
Yes. The last thing. We are not done. The last thing. White cloth. Wet cloth, not the white. And then just like clean the front of the car. Very fast, okay? See. You take the white thing. No. The wet cloth. And just do this.
Done.
And 3, 2, 1. Just do this. And then done. Oh no. One more thing.
Yeah, it's wet.
Find the keys, plug it in, and start the car, and just see, yeah, there you go. Yes. Finish.
No, I'm finished.
So guys, that is it for today's video. Hope you enjoy, and make sure to check out my last travel vlogs 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, I will of course have it linked down in the description box below. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on Instagram, and follow my brother as well on Instagram. Carsten Pang 2nd. I will have it linked in the description box below as well. Guys, remember that I also have a giveaway on my channel, so make sure to check that out up in the icon. Yes. So see you guys in my next video. Peace. Bye. Oh, no. Did the video just ended? You want to see some more videos? That's okay. Check out this last video. Oh, you want to see more? That's okay. That's right here. You want to see even more? No problem. Click at this subscribe button. Check out my channel. I have a lot of videos. So why don't you do all these things and see you guys in my next video. Yeah. Nice outro, right? I know.